Well, good morning, YouTube friends. It's Sunday morning, 6 a.m. Decided to get up and start my day a little early. There's my solar system. Originally, that was for my house, but that's actually for my shop now. I've got 290 watt panels at the bottom. I got two of them. I've got 350 watt panels from Canadian Tire, and I've got 275 watt panels from Canadian Tire. Like I say, that was my original system for the house, those 5 top panels. Since then, I've expanded the 2 lower ones, and I've made that my shop rather than my house. I have a totally different system for my house. So I just want to show you my shop. There it is. It's nothing special. It's basically just a shipping crate. It's small, but it's perfect for what I need. So let's go inside and take a look-see. Basically, I have everything in here I need. It's a bit of a mess, but that's fine. I want to show you my solar system inside here. Down there, inside those 2 totes, I've got 605 amp deep cycle batteries. I got a 3000 watt charge controller, or inverter I should say. And I got a Midnight Classic charge controller. So it's a 12 volt system, which is perfect for what I need out here. I'm not going to be using a lot of power. So basically, this is my shop. It's nothing fancy. I got a little propane heater here. I do have one of those big propane blowers, but it's way too noisy in here for that. So I'm using my small propane heater. I like this. I may get a secondary form of heat in here. I'm not sure. I've got all those solar panels and the batteries, 3000 watt inverter, and I'm only using 25 watts right now for this in here. So once I put some more wall plugs and I do a few other things, then I'll be, of course, using more hydro. But I don't really like using a little propane heater because it's just nice to have a steady, constant heat in here all the time. So this is my shop. I bought it last summer. When I bought it, I had them put a window in for me. I had them put the door in. 2 inches of spray foam underneath the shop. Then they studded all the walls and the ceiling with 2x2s. Maybe 2x3s. I think 2x3s. Then they put 2 inches of spray foam on the whole entire thing. And then they put plywood. They plywooded the whole thing. So the cost of this to have it built the way I wanted, have it delivered. I did haggle with the guy. I got $1,000 off because I've had a lot of spray foam work done on our home as well. So he knocked $1,000 off the price of the whole job. But basically, this cost me $10,000. So $10,000 for a shop right beside my house, which I'm really happy for. So basically, what happens, and the reason I like it so much, is because if I've got a little project to do, you know, I grab a few tools, I do my project. When I'm done, drop them on the counter, and then when I have time, I just grab those tools and put them back away where they belong. And they all have their spot. I've got my Robbies here, got my Phillips here, adjustable wrenches, my hammers. Got 5 hammers. I don't know how I ever ended up with 5 hammers. I needed a nice big pipe wrench one time, and I borrowed a pipe wrench from my neighbor. And I said to my wife, I says, I need a pipe wrench. I should just go out and buy one. She says, you got too many tools. Just use one of those hammers. She was messing with me, but anyways. So this is my shop. Like I say, it's nothing fancy, but I got everything I need, and it's really handy. It's dry. I'm out of the weather, and once I finish doing the wiring, I get my hydro going, then it's going to be even better. But it's kind of nice because, like I say, it's close to the house. I can just come in here, drop my tools, and if it gets a bit messy, it doesn't matter. But I got pretty much everything I need, and it's all very well organized, which I like. And I will see how this thing works. I had this thing for a while, Buddy Flex. I've had it for quite a while, and I had it in my last shop, but my last shop was, it was 12 by 30, and it wasn't insulated, so it turned out that that I turn it on, I turn it off, I turn it on, turn it off. But here I might be all right. I might be just fine with this because it's, like I say, it's only inside dimensions here is like 7 feet by probably 19 feet. So inside dimensions are not that big, but it's good enough for me. So follow my channel, and I still got lots of renovations I have to do in the house. So lots of renovations. So yeah, just follow along, and if you subscribe, that would be great. I've got some insulating I have to do today in the house. And I've got some wiring to run underneath. I have to run a new line for my freezer. I'll probably be doing that today. Just got so many projects ahead of me still I gotta get done. So anyways, follow my channel, and you have a great day, and we'll talk to you in the next video.